Hello, my name is Rafid Bay Ramadan. I'm from Base University, majoring in information system, and I'm in 19.2A.06 class. So here I want to give presentation about English project, and for the title, I picked computer as a first title. So for the next slide. What is a computer? Computer is electronic device that are capable of receiving, processing, storing, and providing information. A computers can perform various tasks such as calculating, controlling, and manipulating data. So the computer is a versatile electronic that takes in data and work that data and then show the results. For the next slide. Then a computer, according to expert. Uh, there are two examples from expert what computer means. The first one is Robert Blisman. Computer is an electronic device that can perform the task of receiving input, process, and storing commands and the result, and providing output in the form of information. For the examples, two, Charles Babbage. A computer is a machine that can think and calculate on its own. So, indeed, according to various experts, the definition of a computer can differ some. Oh, sorry. Uh, Indeed, according to a various expert, the definition of a computer can differ somewhat. For next slide, there are a computer and components. For the first one is a computer system. For the example of computer system is a hardware, software, and user. For the second is types of a computer. For the example types of computer, the first one is a microcomputer. Microcomputer is like maybe a small or relatively computer with a microprocessor as a central processing unit or CPU. For the next example is a mini computer, like maybe mini version of that computer. For the next example is supercomputer. Supercomputer is maybe like the computer where use a CPU super, like a high CPU, maybe used for gaming, editing, or playing games. The next example is personal computer or PC. PC is mostly people use like I'm I'm use a PC too. I use it from I use it for maybe playing games, watching a movie, and edit editing. For the next slide is human and a computer interaction. The first one is graphical user interface or GUI. GUI is an interface that uses a graphical menu to make it easier for users to interact with the computer. Instead of typing text-based command, users can navigate and execute action by directly manipulating these visual elements using this input device like mouse or touch screen. And next, there are command line interface or CLI. CLI is a type of interface via terminal text where the user runs command or programs by typing certain lines. So this CLI really on the user knowledge of these commands and their syntax. Maybe, I don't know it's wrong or it's right. For the next slide is computer in my life. So I use the computer in my life. This computer have become an essential part of my life. Computer also making a world a smaller and more connected place. With computer, I can access information quickly, and computer it also making socializing much easier. Like, which just helps me improve my learning and make it easier socializing with my friends and my family. And oh, like I said before, I use this computer for playing my games and watching movie and my editing. And I am fortunate to live in an era of advance, this era of technology. So that's it from me. Sorry if there are any mistake or wrong words from me, and thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hmm. And hello, back with me again, Rafid by Ramadan. At this time, I will give a presentation about hardware. So, what is a hardware? Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer or other electronic device that you can see and touch, which is the intangible set of instruction or programs. There are two types of a computer hardware. The first one is external and second one is internal. And did you know? In addition, hardware is a form of output from each process of a computer's operating system itself. That way, every desired command can operate properly. So, uh, hardware is like support the work of the device that still requires certain software. That's the hardware means. So next is hardware function. Hardware provides the physical infrastructure for the software to run, allowing computers and other devices to perform various tasks like input, output, storage, and processing. So this function of hardware like is this hardware act like as the tangible foundation upon which is our software operates. So next slide, they're internal. So internal is a physical component inside a computer case that function to process and store data. For the example, include the CPU, motherboard, and a RAM. So input is a crucial first step in the computing process, serving at the gateway for feeding information or data into a computer system. And next slide, sorry. There are external or called peripheral components, are items that are often connected externally to a computer to control input or output function. For the example, include a monitor, keyboard, and a mouse. So, external hardware devices are designed to provide instruction or input to see the result of the execution or output. For the next slide is input. Input is useful for entering information and data in the form of videos, image, text, and other into a computer. Some examples of this hardware are mouse, keyboard, and scanner. So, essentially, computer hardware act like tangible foundation upon which is all software operates. So next, the output. Output is useful in displaying information and Printing the result of user input data. The data comes from input. For example, such as monitor, projector, and a printer. So this output is staged in the computing process, where the result of the computer processing input the format. So next, oh, it's done. Sorry. Well, that's it from me. Sorry if there are any mistake or wrong words from my mouth. And thank you for listening me.